Let's see the quick demo of Unity MCP tools along with OpenCode. So here I just build this complete game using the Unity MCP, and I just using that OpenCode, which is I connected from the Unity MCP tools, and just build this complete game. So let me quickly run this game and see how look like. So yeah, my game is running, and see it is automatically moving my player even if I move right and left. So yeah, it is a nice animation. Also it's have, even there is a opticals over there. So yeah, if I touch, so it automatically will be removed, and also it's got added this player scores. And there is also is a there's option like if you touch this one, so yeah, definitely game is over. So yeah, that complete game will be built over here using this Unity MCP tools along with that open code, which is completely free, and there is a no limit exceed message over there like okay, now you are not able to build this game, right? So yeah, that we will see. And let's moving to start implementation. So before I start implementation, I'm especially recommend, if you first time visit my channel, go to my channel, which is .NET Developer Example, and here you can just search for Unity. Previously actually I just couple of game I just build over here using Unity, so you can, I'm especially recommend check out if you new for Unity. And also there's a couple of game I just build using that other CLI as well, like open cloud code and other things also. So yeah, those are things you can just apart from this, if you want to build any game or mobile game, or if you want to build any application front end back end on AI integration and all, so you can learn many things over here. So yeah, let's moving to start implementations. So first of all, I just create a new empty Unity game over here, and we will just integrate our open code over here, and we will create a game using this open code and free AI models. So for that, as I previously also described, so first we have to use a Unity MCP package. So for that we have to go to that package manager. So here that package manager session over there, that GitHub link. So yeah, we can just use over here, as if you are using this release version, so use this guy. This package means this version, and if you using the beta, so yeah, using this. So just copy and go to here, and just simply go to this GitHub URL link and just paste it and hit enter and wait for this complete installation. So once complete, here you can see it's just completed. So I need to just close it, and once you close, now you are able to see this new options over here inside this window. So first I'll just go to this local setup window, and here we can see like this two things actually we required over here, like Python or UV manager. So yeah, all things actually is up to date in my machine. So if you have seen some red single over here, so definitely you have to just install 3.12, and also just UV package manager you have to install. Okay, so that's, you can just ensure it done. Now go back to again this window, go to this toggle MCP window, and in here there's a couple of setting actually. Just simple, you have to change to transport to studio. Okay, and second thing actually you have to just configure it over here. So yeah, once you studio, that is fine, and then you can just start session. And one more thing actually you have to do, see there's a couple of client actually is available to connect it. So yeah, previously we have done for cloud code, so now we will just use in the open cloud, okay, which is also is a free. So yeah, just okay, so I think just once you just select this open cloud code, and we just simply configured, and here I can see this is just configured. If it is not configured, definitely it will show the red single. Okay, and yeah, if you have any issue, right, directly if you just configure it is not configured, then what you need to do, simply you can see there is a manual option over here. So you can go to this manual configuration, and you can just copy this configuration, and you can just open it over here, and just you can change it to that. Okay, so yeah, I can just do, this is the manual step, so you can just follow and done it. But as of now it's just configured, and once you configured, now what I'll do, I'll just test it. Okay, now it is properly connected to this and not. So also if you see that console log, I can see this is it is running. currently I don't see any client is connected, so for I have to just go to this particular directory. So go to here, go to the particular folder options, and here my application, right? So Unity game application actually we just created. So what I'll do, I'll just open this in a BS code. So open on a BS code, or you can just utilize itself here. We can just simply open it code. Well, let me little zoom it for you. Yeah, so I'll just simply zoom it and close everything, even this one also. Yeah, so this is my complete project. It's an empty project, right? So for ensure my open code is connected or not, so yeah, go to the terminal. And yeah, before do that, actually also recommend one session which I show you to starting of this session. So yeah, just install that open code using that command. And once your open code is available, so definitely you can see over here this open code. Okay, so yeah, ensure if it is not available, so just install, go to that official website and just install that. That's it. Okay, so once you're done, now hit enter. Okay, so I can see now open code is connected over here. So here how do we check? Okay, now our MCP is connected or not. So let me simply ask, okay, is Unity, okay, so we can simply ask, okay, is Unity MCP is connected? So simple, hit enter. So I can see over here, yes, Unity MCP is connected. So yeah, they're just trying to get, and yeah, it is look like MCP connected for this particular project. So now we are good to go to actually build our applications. So simply I just asking to, okay, create a road with the road texture. So simply we want to see actually it is a capable or not. So yeah, in my Unity game, yes, and hit enter. So finally I can see over here it just created, right? And whatever they just output, they just create a road texture file. Perfect. Also material, and also just create a road object, and this is the size also just mentioned. Okay, so let's see the quickly how they just done it over here. So if you, yeah, they see actually very many things over here. So they just call that MCP server and all, and based on the thinking actually they just create and all. So yeah, I think also they just add something over there. So if I go to that output, oh my god, that is that nice. So see, this is the material they did created, also created this road, and this is that look like. So yeah, if I just run this application, yeah, so this is nothing, just simply create a road. So yeah, nothing special over here. So if you want to see over here how easily actually just create this road with the texture, so this is that powerful tool actually. Also they can utilize that Unity server and then create it. So yeah, if you want we can just continue, but so I just continue my application over here using this open code over here. And you can see over here I just built this complete application, like which has that all that feature. Now previously we just simply create a road, but yeah, later on I just keep that all that prompt over here in this open code, and it just thinking and create all that requisition whatever required. So over here you can see, like, create road, endless road, and also create a cylinder and all. And later on actually also I just build, or just asking, okay, just create a dummy player over here. So also they just make it this player. So yeah, this is nice. Even so far I did not get any limit exceed message over here. So still I can, if I want to know more modification, I can modify it. But yeah, you can see the how lots of things actually I just create. And yeah, finally it just got giving this information. Okay, now your game is building completely along with the score and all, because we just asked this requirement. So yeah, let's see that how look like is this. So yeah, once I go here and let me zoom it and then play it and see, without writing any code, if I using this open code along with this MCP Unity MCP tools, is it capable to build this complete game? So my answer would be yes, because see, now my game is running. And also if I just move right and left over here, also there is a opticals over there. So if I just touch over there, so it score will be increased as well as like normal game. And there also is a some red zone. If I touch the red zone, simply if I just show you to you over here, so if I just red zone, so oh my god, so let me touch this guy. Okay, so see, the nice interface also is providing over here, like game over, and final score is this, and you can just restart. So like this way actually we just complete game. Also it is just endless game. So all that, script and texture, everything actually they just create its own. I have nothing is touch over here. So that is the beauty, or capable flexibility Unity tools, the open code. So there is a huge revolution of actually over here, where we don't need to spend manually any configuration and all. Everything actually is each game road, all kind of things actually just create its own. And also if you record any script and all, so if you see over here, let me show you the complete game building over here. So see, this is the building the game, and even over here, that all that materials actually they just create itself, even all that scripts. So see, these are script actually automatically got created. Even if I just face some of kind of issue also while they generated none, so itself is just reading and debugging, and also it's got fixed. So yeah, this is the nice tools, so please use that. Recommend. So if you're trying to build that game, so that definitely it will help to you. Okay, so I think that pretty much good for this session. Thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.